So last time I made a black version for my dad and it turned out very cute and sloppy, so I decided to make one for myself. It's very simple, so you can customize the size however you like. This is all the thing that you will need, but actually you can use any yarn that you want. First you need to make a knot. Put the yarn connect to the skin over the free end. Use your finger to hold the knot, then insert the hook and yarn over. Tighten it to create a knot. We don't count this knot. 10 more times. So this is the front. Now flip it over. You will see a round of bump on the back. Insert the hook into the second bump and yarn over. You will have two gloves on your hook. Yarn over again and fold row both loop. You just complete a single crochet stitch. Continue to the end of the chain. You will have 9 stitches in total. Now turn it over and we will single crochet around the ankle base. Use a stick marker to match the first stick. Keep protesting until the end of the round. There should be 20 stitches in this round. At the end of the round, insert the hook into the first stick and yarn over. This is called a flip stick, which we use to complete a round. Continue until you reach your desired length. About the stopping, I use 8mm yarn so the final product is thick enough. However, if you use smaller yarn, you could add a little stopping so the cushion is slightly higher than the keyboard borders. If you stop it too much, your hand will have to curl over it, which create a different style of discomfort. So try to stop it a little bit, then set the comfort level before adding more. When you reach your desired length, cut the yarn and sew both sides together. Do the same with the decorative dot. And ta-da! It's all done.